माननीय मस्तान राव बीडा जी।
जिन्होंने बोला।
Thank you, Deputy Chairman Sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak on the very good bill. And I am glad to mention that I am one of the members on the committee of Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill 2022. Thank you, sir. I rise to support this bill on behalf of our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and our party, YSR Congress Party. The decriminalization of financial crimes has become a topic of significant debate worldwide. Decriminalization involves reducing the severity of legal consequences for such offences, often by changing them from criminal to civil or administrative violences. This bill is a step in the right direction and will certainly help India in improving the ease of living for the people as well as our ease of doing business rankings. Efficiency in the criminal justice system, sir. One of the primary arguments in favor of decriminalization is the potential to improve the efficiency of the criminal justice system. By shifting financial crimes to civil or administrative enforcement, law enforcement agencies can concentrate their resources on more serious criminal offences. This approach can help streamline the investigations and expedite resolution processes, ensuring a more effective allocation of limited resources. Focus on the restitution and compensation. Decriminalization may provide an opportunity to emphasize restitution and compensation for the victims of financial crimes. Civil or administrative proceedings can be designed to prioritize the recovery of damages and financial losses suffered by individuals and entities and affected by these offences. This approach might lead to quicker and more substantial compensation for victims compared to lengthy criminal trials, encouraging self-reporting and cooperation. Some proponents argue that the fear of criminal prosecution can deter individuals and corporations from self-reporting or cooperating with the authorities when financial crimes occur. Decriminalization could create an environment where entities are more willing to come forward, disclose violations, and cooperate with the regulatory bodies, thereby enhancing detection and prevention of financial crimes. Mitigating overcrowding in prisons. Decriminalization might help alleviate prison overcrowding caused by non-violent offenders convicted of financial crimes. By diverting these cases to civil or administrative proceedings, the criminal justice system can focus on addressing more dangerous criminals, potentially leading to a more efficient and humane imprisonment system. Negatives of the bill, sir. Inadequate punishment for serious offences. Financial crimes can have severe consequences on individuals, businesses, and the economy. Reducing the legal consequences of these offences might not adequately punish wrongdoers, potentially leading to a perception of leniency and lack of accountability. Small crimes can add up to and be a part of a larger crime, such as large-scale fraud or money laundering can cause significant harm to the society. In such situations, criminal penalties are more appropriate in such cases. Can the Honourable Minister explain the reason for choosing these specific laws and not others and the parameters behind it, sir? Potential for impunity. The absence of criminal charges could also reduce the reputational damage that comes with criminal convictions, further lowering the incentives for compliances. These could be a perception among the public that certain offences are no longer taken seriously by the authorities, potentially eroding trust in the legal system, sir. Challenges in enforcement and collection. Civil or administrative enforcement of financial crimes could present challenges in enforcing judgment and collecting fines. Some offenders may attempt to evade restitution payments or financial penalties, making it harder for authorities to hold them accountable for their actions, sir. Impact on marginalized and vulnerable populations. Imposing fines may disproportionately affect marginalized and economically vulnerable populations due to their limited financial resources. Lack of access to legal representation can further hinder their ability to defend against fines and or understand regulations. Decriminalization is a complex and contentious issue that requires careful consideration of its potential impacts. Ultimately, the goal should be to strike a balance between punishment, restitution, and prevention, while ensuring accountability and justice in case of financial misconduct. The bill's impact on enhancing the ease of living and doing business will largely depend on its effective implementation and ongoing stakeholder engagement. So, I would request the Minister to address these issues raised by us and take our suggestions into account, sir. With this, the YSR Congress Party support this bill. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Honorable Sri Masthan Rao Beeda ji. Now Dr. M. Thambi Durai, please.
Yes, sir.